Hi, it's Dorothy Guining with Scrapbooking Quebec. I thought I would pop on my channel today with a very quick, unplanned, impromptu video. I'm about to play with these Dina Wakley Chipboard shapes. They came in the Mercy Tiara Sunshine Kit. I am not a mixed media person, so I thought I would play with them. I already made one of them. I don't actually like it, to be perfectly honest. But I am going to continue to play with them because the only way I'm going to learn how to play with mixed media is if I do it. So I thought I would turn on my camera for this first little bit. I'm going to explain what I'm doing. Then what I'm going to do is simply turn off the sound and let you watch for yourself how I play and experiment. So I'm just going to show you what I have here. So this is the little set that I have, Dina Wakley. You can see there are 5 feathers here. So here they are. They're not that thick. They're chipboard. One side is white. I'm guessing that's the side we paint or we work with. The flip side is just kind of a brownish color. I'm going to be using these metallic accent semi-watercolor paints from Prima here. You can see here I have a little chart. This I made when I received this watercolor kit just to give me a little idea of the colors that are in here. And from here I actually selected my colors because I do have a jumping off point that I'm hoping to work with. It's this paper here from Echo Park Paper. It's from the My Best Life collection. Again, it was part of the Mercy Tiara Sunshine Kit that came out in June 2024. So the colors that I thought I would work with were this pink here. These all have a little bit of a metallic shine. I liked the yellow that you see here. And I was thinking possibly this green. It's quite dark, almost grayish. So I thought that would work. And also what I have on my desk, I do have a few inks here. I have the one I used most often, Morning Mist by Versifying Claire. It's a smoky gray. But I also brought in this Night of Navy from Stampin' Up. That is because there is navy blue in that printed paper that I showed you. Oops, sorry for the noise. I also brought in a stamp set thinking that I might be able to use those little dots. This is called Timeless Textures from Stampin' Up. In here, I have my sequins. These are from the Mercy Tiara Kit, Sunshine Kit as well. I thought maybe I could add some sequins to it. I didn't do it to this one. Like I mentioned, I don't particularly like the one I made here. However, I was able to determine that the yellow and pink I liked. So that I know I'm going to work with. So I'm going to get started and let you see what I'm up to. I'm going to pop back on with a little explanation. Now, I'm really liking how these look. The original one that I made that I didn't like, I inked the edges with this smoky gray ink, the Morning Mist ink by Versifying Claire. I find it fine, but keeping in mind the paper I want to use these feathers with, I find this just a little bit distressed looking compared to the paper. So looking at these feathers here, I find these more kind of bright and cheery like the paper. Nevertheless, I will want to add more to this. I do want to have fun this afternoon. So once again, I'm going to speed up this video and continue playing. I hope these are dry. Again, that one doesn't seem to be. I'm not very good at mixed media. I'm just having a little bit of fun this afternoon, and I wanted to share it with you. My camera kept turning off, so hopefully I got enough film here to show you how I played with mixed media for a person who knows absolutely nothing about mixed media. So here is my result. Again, this was the one I did off camera. I didn't particularly like it. I found it too distressed for the paper I want it to match with. So here are the other ones. I like them better. They're a little bit more bright and cheery. Here is what they are supposed to go with, this paper. They are a bit whimsical. They do not look like feathers. I am fully aware of that. But again, I'm not into that stuff. I just wanted to play and have fun in a very short period of time, and this did not take me long. This one here I do not particularly like. Not sure if I'm going to use it or not, but this is actually a really good example of me, a non-mixed media person, doing mixed media. I have 5 feathers here. I didn't know what I was going to do. I approached it with the idea that I would have fun, and if I made a mistake, it was no big deal. I kind of like these 3 feathers here. Hopefully they will end up on my layout. And this one, I don't think so. I really don't like it. Maybe I'll turn it into a bookmark or something. Same thing here. I'm not sure if I like this or not, but that's the cost of trying something new. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed what I did share with you today. I just thought it would be fun to give you an idea of how I play with mixed media as a non-mixed media person. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.